I know you click on those particular video to watch me right now because you want to start making money online, especially on Facebook platform. Okay, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. We are looking for a way to make some money to yourself, even as a student, a content creator, a sit-at-home parent, or even a 9 to 5 worker looking for a way to level up your source of income. Those video is for you because in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the various monetization process on Facebook and the things you need to do, and I'm also going to walk you through how you can actually get your profile or your page monetized. Of course, in Nigeria we are now eligible for Facebook monetization, and that's a big thing, and we have been waiting for this, and it has finally come to our table. And I can see that since Facebook has brought monetization to Nigeria, there has been a lot of competitions out there. So many people are trying to create content even when they don't have passion for it. They are just trying to do all of those stuff like that for them to get paid, for their page to get monetized, and for them to start making some extra cash to themselves. And that is why I've been able to make those videos to help those people out there that are looking for how they can actually level up their source of income on Facebook. See, let me tell you, there are people that are making thousands of dollars on Facebook every single month. Okay, so and those people, they took up this opportunity, and some of them even take it as their main job. Most of these content creators, they don't have what they are doing, they just take it as their main job. Some even quit. I know a lot of people that have quit their job. Like, if you're a 9 to 5 workers, you know that creating content is very hard because it do not make you to be posting consistently. But I know a lot of persons that have quit their job in order to just focus on content creations. But trust me, they are making times 10 of what they were paid every month. Okay, content creation is actually nice when you started getting paid, the money started coming. So before I walk you through into the various monetization process or the various ways in which you can make money on Facebook, the first thing I want you to note is to know your niche. Okay, you need to pick a niche, what you like, what you know you can do best, what you know you can do very well. If it's vlog, if it's to do educational content, tutorials, if it's about your personal lifestyles or all of those stuff like that, you just need to pick a niche and stick to it. Okay, let me tell you a story of one man named Mr. Michael. Michael started his content creation just because he's a carpenter, so he just be posting about his work whenever he goes to the workshop and do all of those stuff like that. He posted it, and Mike never knew that there is money online, and he never knew that this stuff is actually paying. Mike was just being consistent, posting even with no views, with no engagement. He still keep on posting because that's what he loved doing the most. Till one day Mike Facebook finally got monetized and he started making money online. But today I can tell you that so many brands have collaborated with Mike for Mike to be their brand ambassadors, for Mike to, like, Mike has really gone far, and that his hard work has really paid him. So you just need to be consistent with whatever niche you know that you can do. Stop jumping from one niche to the other. But at first, okay, I know that at first you might be trying to do something different. Okay, I will not advise you to just stick at one thing at first. You need to be trying different things until you need to be trying different things till you know the one that works best for you. Okay, so that is that for that. Okay, so after knowing all of these things, after knowing about what to do in order for you to get your page monetized, I want to walk you through the various monetization process in which you can get your page or your profile monetized. We all know the requirement to get monetized. For some monetization, okay, we have different ways of getting your page monetized. Okay, we have the 5,000 followers and we have the 10,000 followers. Okay, you can get your Facebook page monetized at 5,000 followers. You can also get your Facebook page monetized at 10,000 followers, but it's based on different monetization process. Okay, you need to first of all meet this requirement. Okay, so number one way of monetizing your page is through in-stream ads. Okay, Instream ad comes in when, okay, I believe that whenever you are watching any video on Facebook, be it a short form content or a long form content, I believe that before you could finish watching that video, there's an ad, there's a video that plays in that video, that is an advert. Okay, this video might come in between when you are watching the video or after you have finished watching the video. Okay, that's in-stream ads. So when you are eligible for this in-stream ad, Facebook will get to notify you in order for you to set it up. Facebook marketplace, I know that it's not everyone that might be conversant with this. With this, you don't need the 5,000 followers or 10,000 followers. You don't even need 60,000 watch hours. As far as you have a working Facebook page, you can just go to your Facebook marketplace. Okay, first of all, you just need to go to your Facebook app. You see this after your home tab, the video tab, the tab where you receive your friend request or where you can send people friend requests. You now see the fourth one there that looks like a house. Okay, you just go ahead and click on that. So when you click on that, you can see marketplace, you can see sell, you can see categories right here. Okay, so you can, when you come to this marketplace, okay, you can be seeing that people are marketing their product right here without even running an advert. You can see they put the price and they put the kind of product they are marketing. You can see this cute bracelet 1,000, gas cylinder 4,000, okay, shawarma 1,500. So you can go ahead, if you have any business that you are doing, whether it's online or whatever it is, you can just go ahead and come to this place, and what you just need to do is just to set it up yourself. Fan subscription. Okay, in this fan subscription, your followers get to be paying you monthly in order for you to deliver quality content to them. They love what you are doing, but they really want to they really want you to go more deeper, or they really want to get more insight about what you are teaching them. So what they need to do, they just need to be paying you every month, and what you just need to do is just to be delivering quality content to them every month for the amount they have paid. Okay, and mind you, it's not all your followers, it's people that love what you are doing and the pick interest that can do this. So with this method, you can be making at least $20 or even not more than every single month. Okay, another way for you to make money on Facebook is by setting up your stars. Okay, how do people get to give you stars? People get to give you stars when you go on live stream. Okay, the same way that you go on live stream on TikTok and people get to give to you, and that's the same way you go on live on Facebook and people get to give to you stars. Okay, there you can convert it to money and take it to your bank account, and that's another cool way of making money because your fans love what you are teaching them. They love what you are doing, so that's their only two way of showing support, or that's their only two way of appreciating you for what you have done. So when you are eligible for a star, Facebook is going to notify you so that you can just go ahead and set it up and you start making money with that. Okay, another way for you to make money on Facebook is through affiliate marketing. You get to be promoting other people's product and any commission. So if you are watching me at this very particular moment, I might say that you are very lucky to watching right this moment. And if you have not subscribed, I don't know what you are still waiting for. Please do it to hit on the subscribe button. Waiting. All right, thanks for subscribing. So another way for you to make money on Facebook is through branded content. Okay, branded content has to do with a particular brand might decided to pick you to collaborate with them. Okay, you are going to be I know that most of you have been hearing about brand ambassadors. Okay, before any person or any brand picks you to be the ambassador or picks you to represent their brand, they must know that you have an active followers or you have enough followers, and they might see that you're like they will always come to your page to see what you are doing. If you have an active followers, you have enough followers on your page, because what you need to do is that you'll be promoting their product. Okay, let's say for instance now, whenever Infinix release any phone, always see the video picture there. Okay, have you asked yourself why don't they use other artists? Why is it always the video? They pick the video because the video is their brand ambassador. Facebook advert, yes. So this is where you get to be running adverts for your business, be it a physical business or an online business. You don't need to pay Facebook money per lead, per message, or per click, or whatever it is, for them to promote your product, in order, like, for them to push your product to the right audience, to a larger audience, for you to be making money. Okay, so if you are targeting the right audience for your Facebook advert, trust me, you are going to make your money in 100-fold. To wrap it all, Facebook monetization does not come that easily. Okay, it's not something that you just create a Facebook page or a profile and start posting and start making money. It takes time, it takes consistency, and it's like a lot of work needs to be put through. Okay, like most of the content creators that you have been seeing making money on Facebook, cashing out, building houses, buying cars, building hotels, like, it does not just start that particular time that they start building all of those stuff or buying the cars. This is something that they have worked for so many years, and it just started manifesting now. Okay, so please, if you find this video helpful, do well to like this video, share, leave your comment in the comment section, and also do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay.